this video, I will be sharing with you 5 proven affiliate niches guaranteed with high CPM YouTube payout with proof. YouTube's vast ecosystem caters to a wide array of interest, but some niches stand out for their significantly high cost per mille rates, also known as CPM, or cost per thousand impressions. This reflects how much advertisers are willing to pay for ad space on every particular single video, indicating the value of the audience. Niche selection can significantly impact a creator's revenue potential on YouTube. Here, I will explore 5 niches known for high CPM rates. Also, in this video, I will be examining why this area commands premium advertising rates, and also I will be sharing some examples of successful channels with you. On this channel, I share how you can make money online with YouTube, especially making faceless videos. So if this is what piques your interest, I would like you to subscribe and also turn on your notification bell so each time I drop a video, you can be notified. So I would be very grateful if you can just subscribe to this channel. So on my list of 5 top niches with high CPM, number 1 on my list is the lawn care niche. Why high CPM in the lawn care niche? Lawn care is a niche that appeals to homeowners, landlords, and gardening enthusiasts, often representing a demographic with disposable income. Advertisers in this niche, especially those in the home improvement, gardening, tools, and lawn care products industries, are all willing to pay more for ads that target this affluent audience. The seasonal nature of the lawn care also means there's a spike in interest and thus advertising during certain time of the year. Let me share with you some examples of channels doing great in the lawn care niche industry. This channel is called The Tough Mechanic. They specialize in lawn care machinery. They also make reviews and provide maintenance tips. This channel creates content on high-cost gardening equipment like mowers, thereby ensuring high ads revenue. This channel is currently averaging between $10 to $12 per thousand views. The next on my list is the dog health niche. Why high CPM in the dog health niche? The pet industry, particularly dog health, is both large and lucrative, with pet owners willing to spend considerable amount on their pets' well-being. This niche attracts advertisers from pet food, veterinary services, supplements, and grooming products. The emotional connection viewers have with their pets also means they are more likely to engage with content, increasing ads value. So let's take a look at some examples of some successful channels in the dog health niche doing awesomely well and making high income in the industry. Let's take a look at this channel. It's called the Smart Dog Lover. This channel provides health advice, training tips, and product reviews. Their focus on dog health and wellness draws a dedicated audience, leading to a high engagement and thus high CPM rates. This channel is averaging between $10 to $12 per thousand views, as you can see. The next channel I would like us to look at is the Dog Nutritionist. They provide expert advice on canine nutrition and dietary needs. They provide educational content that discusses various aspects of dog health, focusing primarily on dietary needs and nutrition-related issues, which is a magnet for advertisers in the pet sector. This dog niche channel is currently averaging between $10 and $12 thousand views. My number 3 niche is the bankruptcy niche. The financial advice and the legal services associated with bankruptcy attracts viewers who might be in high income brackets, seeking solution, expert financial situations. Advertisers in this niche, including law firms, financial advisors, and credit repair companies, are all eager to reach this audience, justifying the high CPM due to the potential high value leads and conversion. Examples of successful channels doing great in this niche. This channel is called the Debt Free Millennials. This channel often discusses financial distress, including bankruptcy, offering advice that draws viewers and high-paying ads from financial services. This channel is currently averaging between $12 to $15 per thousand views. The next on my list is the technology and gadget niche. Tech enthusiasts are prime targets for advertisers because they have a high purchasing intent for new gadgets and softwares. The constant innovation in this field means there's always fresh content to be made, and tech companies are willing to pay premium rates for showcasing their latest product to this audience. Let me share some examples of successful channels in this niche. Of course, I don't want to use the big giants in the tech niche as my examples, Mackie Brownie and Unbox Therapy. These guys have very huge number of subscribers, so I'd rather choose to use an average channel as an example. So now let's take a look at this small channel. It's called Zedios Tech. Known for its in-depth tech reviews, his channel has a good amount of following and attracts high CPM due to the tech-savvy audience it commands. Averagely, this channel makes between $8 to $10 per thousand viewed. Another channel I would like us to look at is the Dayo Awonroshe channel. This channel focuses on unboxing and first look at gadgets. This channel leverages the excitement around new technology that is being released to the market, thereby securing and also attracting high ad revenue. Averagely, this channel makes between $8 to $10 a thousand views. The last niche on my list with a high CPM payout is the gaming niche. The gaming niche is one of the largest entertainment segments on YouTube, with viewers ranging from casual gamers to professionals. This broad appeal attracts a plethora of advertisers from game developers and hardware manufacturers. The engagement level in gaming content is typically high, which advertisers value a lot. Example of a successful small YouTube channel doing awesomely well in the gaming niche is the Nyxson channel. This channel focuses on everything gaming, but focuses more on game reviews, discussions, and gaming technology. His gaming content and personality keep viewers engaged, leading to high ad revenue from a diverse set of advertisers. Currently, this channel earns between $8 to $10 per thousand views. Each of these niches demonstrates how aligning content with high-value, engaged audience can significantly increase monetization potential on YouTube. The key to success in these high CPM areas is not just creating content, but ensuring it's of high value, engaging, and targeted towards an audience that advertisers are keen to reach out to. As YouTube continues to evolve, understanding these niches can help new creators strategically position their content for maximum financial benefits. So in conclusion, always remember that the key to thriving in this space is consistency, quality, and strategic promotions. We offer a faceless creation service where we help our subscribers get started by creating videos for their new YouTube channel. Check the description for the link directing you on how to get started. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you will never miss out on my latest strategies, tips, and tools to amplify your YouTube growth. See you in my next video.